Okay, you guys, I'm just gonna start doing yoga right away. Mountain pose. We had another impressive thunderstorm again today. It broke one of the branches, one of the really large branches off of a boulevard tree, but the branch was as big as a tree itself, and it came down into our yard, and so I just am tired at the end of the day. I had massages during the time when I would usually go do yoga in nature. So front porch yoga in nature again today. 4 yoga poses, or 4 breaths in mountain pose, and then this is palm tree pose, placing my fingers, palms out, up over my head, and then looking up. I don't really like bugs. Okay, I'm gonna do this cat-cow again, practice it a few more times in my own home before I'm doing this. But today I'm gonna do my chin level with the floor. Try to keep my jaw relaxed, breathing into the lower part of my lungs, pushing my belly out. And then when I breathe in, pulling my belly button back to my spine, my jaw relaxed. I don't know if you can see that in the video or if my arms are in the way. Now cow, so my chin level with the floor, pushing my belly out, curving my spine the opposite way. This actually hurts more than the other way. I'm gonna ding my wind chime just because it's really quiet. So I think all I have left to do is tree pose. Ouch. It seems really fast. But some of those are like one-sided poses, not, you know, like where I have to switch legs and do the pose again. I think moths are like flying around and hitting me like right here. But so this is just my front porch. I don't think you can see the damage, but the tree that's right there, I don't think you can see it. One of the big branches broke off and did some damage to my burning bushes, but this, not on this side of the tree line. There's a little sidewalk right there, and then on the other side of that sidewalk is where the damage is. Have a great night, everybody.